All right, hello my fellow investors, City Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, I will be talking about a few stocks. But before I start that, just know that I do extensive research for these stocks, and I don't just spit out BS out of my mouth. I actually do heavily research. I've been doing months and months and months of research and diving deep into their books and all that stuff. So that's where I come up with my information. You guys should do the same before you jump into any stock. Don't jump into it because people are just spewing out things to get views. You know, there's people that are just saying, oh, the stock is going to go 10 times and jump into it now, and then they jump into it and lose a lot of money. Don't do that, guys. Your own knowledge is your best weapon. So have that in mind. Now, this is not financial advice that I'm giving you. I'm just giving you my thoughts. If you do want my financial advice and expertise, please go contact me in the DM, and you'll have to hire me for that. But I promise you, I will make you successful, and I will make you lots of money if you do it the right way, the way I teach you. But besides all that, this video is sponsored by Acorns. So use the link in the description down below so you can get free money from there. Just set up an account and you're good. Same thing with Robinhood. Use the link in the description down below so you can get free stocks. I'm not supporting Weibo anymore. I don't like it. So enough of that. Let's jump to the video because this is what you guys want. So the stocks I'm going to be talking about today is Churchill Capit, Tesla, and NIO. Now, in my previous video of NIO, we got a lot of hate because people have been obsessed with NIO for some reason. I don't really like the stock for an investment. I do trade it. I'm not going to lie, I do trade it. So when it comes down, I buy. It goes high, I sell. I do that. But NIO is an emotional stock. It's not worth its price. And I'm sticking to that right now still because people are saying, oh, well, it sold this amount of units. Do you really know if they sold the amount of units? Where is the information at? All they did was say it out of their mouth. They're like, we sold this amount of units. Okay, where's the proof? There's no proof. That's the reason they might get kicked out of the U.S. stock exchange next January if they don't end up showing that information. So they're being a little shady there. And, you know, understand that this company can actually become something good. I'm not saying they can't, and I'm not saying they aren't. But they're not showing anything. Their numbers aren't showing what their stock price is. So this stock is super overvalued. And understand that is super overvalued. It is all hype right now. Their numbers do not match their stock price right now. So just have that in mind. So understand that this stock is still really, really risky. It can be something good and great, and you can make a lot of money like a lot of people already have, but it is, again, a risk. This stock can easily, boom, crash like that. And people are trying to compete it with Tesla. It's not going to be Tesla. Like I said in my previous videos, Tesla has Elon Musk. They're just dominant in this market. They're selling their cars in China. People are buying Tesla over NIO in China. Okay? So have that in mind that they still prefer Tesla over NIO. Tesla is just something big. And I know, like I said, this is an expensive price, but it's well worth it. They might do a stock split. If this hits about 1,000, I feel like it can do a stock split. If it doesn't, then I mean, it's all profit. I mean, Tesla is the future of the EV market and the EV stocks. Now, the reason I don't have a lot of hope in my mind, in my opinion, like I said, you don't have to like it, at NIO, is because of Churchill Capit. And this stock, again, it's overvalued. Like I said, I'm not jumping into it because it's overvalued. This stock is supposed to be about 18. Compared, if you do the numbers, this stock is about an $18 stock. But the reason it has a lot of hype is because they can merge with Lucid, the vehicle manufacturer that is creating cars here in the U.S. So if they merge with them, then Lucid Automotive is going to have their stock. And I feel like that's going to be the stock to invest in because the U.S. is going to have that stock. NIO, it's not going to have that in the U.S. I know NIO is going to try to compete, but I feel like this company, when if they merge, they haven't merged yet. If they merge with Lucid, the vehicle Lucid, then this stock is going to be better than NIO. This car company is the NIO of the U.S. So they're going to be more profitable. The U.S. has a better market for selling cars than China. China doesn't. So we don't know what NIO's cars are doing. We don't know if they're breaking down. There's not enough history to do that. But people have more trust in U.S. vehicles and Chinese vehicles because China tends to do cheap stuff. Okay, so that's another thing you have to have in mind. I feel like this company is going to slow NIO down from coming to the U.S. because it's just how it is. People are going to buy American-made cars. They're not going to trust Chinese cars. Other parts in Europe is going to be the same thing. You know, you'll see how the market is not going to be that great on NIO. This one will probably be better, and people are going to trust it more, and it's going to be selling more. So this is the NIO that I feel like needs to be. So again, Tesla in another level. Don't compare it. I hate when people compare these new upcoming EV stocks to Tesla. Tesla is in another level. So please don't do that, people. Okay? But the thing I'm talking about is this one. If they merge and they're successful, this is a stock that I would probably jump into instead of NIO, because again, I don't have a lot of high hope for NIO. I mean, I feel like it can do good, and it can do good in China and maybe some parts of Europe, but I don't feel like it's going to blow up like people think it's going to blow up. I think that this one can actually become better, and this one will sell better, especially here in the US, because this is going to be the cheaper version of an electric car. But again, that's all I wanted to talk about, guys. If you guys liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you hated it, which I know a lot of people are going to hate because they're like obsessed with NIO for some reason, and those people are the ones that are going to fail, because that mentality of, you know, obsessing over something is not right. In the market, you have to go by numbers, and you have to see just facts. You know, you have to go with the books and all that stuff, and that's how you make money in the stock market. I've been successful in the stock market for so many years, and the reason is because you have to look at the books. You have to look into the company itself, the future, and the competition. Okay? That's one thing you have to pay attention to if you're going to be successful. And there's a lot of stubborn people that are like, nope, everybody's talking about NIO, everybody's investing in NIO. It's all about NIO, nothing else. It's going to be the next Tesla. I don't care what you say. And you're going to see later on in the future that those people are going to fail. So again, always in your mind is your own best friend and your own way to succeed. So always have that in mind, guys. And that's pretty much it. If you guys liked the video, again, like I said, please like, share, subscribe, because the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll be doing. Tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about a stock that has so much potential to go up in 2021 that, you know, it's just great. I'll be talking a little bit about that tomorrow. And stay tuned, subscribe, like I said, so you guys can get that video. And again, I'll show you why the tomorrow stock is so beneficial, especially to have in your portfolio. And there's a lot, you don't have to worry about that. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.